So I just tested the Firebase Studio as a non-coder, and I want to share my experience on it. So overall, the Firebase Studio, they have a very nice color theme. In here, they right now they only allow image. You cannot upload any PDF or other things. And then here is your workspace. You can have 10 workspace at a time, and if you are run out of a workspace, just click in there and delete which one you want. For example, this one I don't need it, so delete it and hit say okay. So and then after that people can also share their workspace with you, and you can see when they share, you can see that in that locations. So for example, I'm creating a new workspace. Before that, let's see their some of their prompt in here for say recipe generator, and this is like a simple recipe maker that generates recipe based on the ingredients I have in my fridge. Simple UI, green color scheme. Let's say prototype it. So after selecting the prototype, it gives me that okay, what is your app name? So I say that okay, it is Morad Fridge, and then you can select different things: instruction display, green color, accent, clean and readable scan software. You can change it in here, or you can revert it. There is other options. You can select different font style for say this one like that, and hit save, and after that it will generate the prototype of the app. Now you can see it is working to develop different prototypes, and in the meantime, when it is finding an error, it tries to solve it. As you can see, checking for errors. In here, this is the Gemini chat feature. You can add files in here. Okay, now it gives only the image, not the files. So here is the Murad freeze. What ingredients do you have? So you can have some like say chicken, rice, broccoli, say spicy, and there is an option you can auto generate the API key. So I just give auto generation, and it will generate the the API key. In the meantime, Google has different free things. For example, they have a $300 in free credit for new customers. So using that $300, you can have any types of Google Cloud products. So you can use a Gemini API up to $300 for 3 months, 90 days. And they have other types of products in the free tier, like, as you can see in here. More Google Cloud. So for example, if you need cloud storage, they have 5 GB month standard storage. Those are all free tier. I will share the link in the description. And rice, spicy, generate recipe. It is generating the recipe now. So this is the recipe. Recipe idea: marinate the chicken in soy sauce, ginger, garlic, sesame oil, spicy chicken curry with rice. I like this one. I like curry. Then spicy sriracha chicken with rice. So these are the things that it generated. Now, for example, if you do not want to have this one, for say, change it and give a new color, hit enter. So it will modify it in the all the files, and it will give you the exact things that you need. Okay, so it gives now blue color, and then there is an option you can see scan on your mobile phone, and you can see the app in actions. And this is the publicly available link that you can share with your friend family, and then you can also publish it in here. So once it is published, it will be linked on your credit card or billing account, so that hosting and other bills will be cut from there. If you are testing the platform, don't go there. Alright, so next one is now if you want to create your own new workspace, click on there, and then they have different types of template. Start a new workspace from one of our handcrafted starting template. So in the web they have Next.js, React, then more template, this one. Then for the backend they have Go, Python, Flask, Java, .NET, Node, and then they have other types of template. For the mobile, Android, Studio Cloud, Flutter, all the things. And AIML, Gemini, GenKit, LangChain, database, MongoDB, Postgres, MySQL. They have other types of things. So for example, if you create very empty new space, for say, and this is try5, and it will create a workspace named try5, and this is the number in here, and it will set up a workspace environment, finalizing it. It will take some time. The fresh workspace in here. Now you started chat with it. For say I want to create a calculator. Now choose like Gemini 2.5, and then it needs the API key. I'm giving an API key from here. Create. Let's see it creating auto get API key. Okay, so if you click get API key, then it will take from here, and then scroll it down probably. Okay, it didn't come in here. For API to use API model, get API key, create API key. I don't see the project in here, so let's set this one. Copy, and then put it in here, and then hit enter, then create file. See, it wants to install the Python. It is installing right now. Hit the run command. So it seems like I have some kind of error in here, but you can see that the as you can see that this is not something for if you are designing for a large website. This is not a good tools that you can rely on. It is from my non-coder experience, it is for small apps, not for the large apps. All right, thank you.